Hey everybody, Jim Benson here with a Modus Minute on batch sizes. So this was a conversation that was happening on Modus Institute today about batch sizing and basically what actually constitutes a batch. And so when we're talking about music venues, we were talking about nesting dolls, and then we were talking about the gardening metaphors, right? And so in the garden metaphor for me, batch sizes work like this. You can think that like if you have one carrot and one biblettus and one parsnip and one tomato plant and one something else, that you have a small batch size. Well, you don't. You have a large batch size because you have 5 different things that you're working on at once, all of which require different feeding, different types of care. If you had 5 tomato plants that all were the same, then you would have the same kind of care and you would have one batch size and you would have 5 plants. So don't think that the smallness of the task equates to a small batch size. It is the smallness of the narrative that you're looking for.